Hello everyone, how to add new window in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see this is my Excel. The Excel file name is Excel tutorial. When I add the new window, the same Excel file is added to new with the Excel tutorial 1. Okay, so I just go to the view tab and in window group, click on the new windows options and here you can see the Excel tutorial 2 is showing. If you want to view the side by side the both Excel file, again go to the view tab and click on the arrange all options. Okay, and here the arrange windows dialog box is open. If you want to arrange in vertically, select the vertically. If you want to arrange the horizontally, you can select the horizontally. So I select the vertical and click on OK. You can see the both Excel file, the Excel tutorial 1 and Excel tutorial 2 is showing the both window here. Now you can work in the both Excel file. Okay. So if you enter here something, suppose I enter here, add here some column. Okay. So I just add here the status column. You can see here in second window also change accordingly. Okay. Suppose I enter here yes, it's showing the yes. No, it's automatically captured in second window also. So it is so helpful to work on the two Excel file at the same time. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.